Hi guys, and welcome back to next unboxing video from Mini Bike Store video blog. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing and I will show you step by step how to properly assemble the brand new product from Nitro Motors, the Jackal 1000W 36V electric dirt bike. So let's open the box and see what is inside. So here it is how the bike looks like outside the cardboard box. As you can see, the bike inside is secured in the steel frame. It's also well wrapped to secure it in the transport. So now I will show you step by step how to properly assemble the bike. So first you need to remove all the parts which are attached to the bike. Here we have the user manuals for the bike in German language, but you can follow our instruction videos. We'll show everything in our instruction videos. Here we have the stickers, the front mudguard. Here we have the box. We can open the box and see what we get inside the box. Inside the box you will get the toolkit. You will receive the charger for the battery. Here in the back you will receive the user manuals in English language. The bolts, keys and fuses. Next, just here we have the attach the front wheel. So remove the front wheel, unwrap the bike. Next you will need to remove all the bolts which hold the frame together. Now remove the top frame, just like this. Next, cut the wire here at the back which holds the rear wheel with the frame. Remove the wire. At the front you will need to remove the front axle. So unscrew the nut, pull the bike a little bit and pull out the axle. Here are the spacers, so make sure you don't lose the spacers. Now you can leave the bike and place the bike on the stand for easy installation. Place the bike on the stand like this. You need to start assembly from installing the handlebars, so unwrap the handlebars. Next, remove these 4 bolts here. Next, prepare the handlebars. Make sure the cables are not twisted. Place the handlebars in position, just like this. I will remove the foam here for easy installation. Now place one clamp in position, then the bolt through it, second bolt, and the second clamp, and the last bolt. Now place the handlebars on the middle, just like this, and tighten all 4 bolts well. Now insert the foam back on the handlebars. Just like this. Here we have the keys attached, so disattach the keys. Next step is to regulate the brake levers on the handlebars. So just place them in the position just like this and tie the bolts just here. Next you will need to install the front mudguards. So prepare the mudguard. To install the mudguard you need to remove these 3 bolts here. Here we have 1. So remove this bolt and these two small ones here on the bottom, and the second one. Now insert the bolts through the hole here and back into the fork clamp, and the second small bolt. Now insert these two pins just in position like this, just like this, and tighten these two bolts. So next you will need to install the front wheel. Here is the front wheel. You can check the air pressure in the wheel. It's okay here. So insert the wheel in position just like this. Prepare the front axle, the nut and the front spacers. When you look close to the spacers, one is longer, one is shorter, so you need to install the shorter spacer from the side of the disc brake. So first insert the axle through the fork, through the spacer, then through the wheel, then the spacer again, the longer one, and through the other fork, and secure the wheel with the nut. And tighten the nut well. Now you need to install the front brake caliper. So here in the back you will find two bolts. Just this one's here. Insert the disc brake between the brake pads, just like this. Then the bolt through it, and the second bolt, and tighten both bolts. Now you'll need to regulate the front brake. You can regulate the brake by turning these two screws. So now the brake is properly adjusted. So we have assembled the front of the bike and we can now move into the back. Here at the back of the bike we just have to connect the rear shock absorber at the bottom. So remove the bolt just here. Insert the shock absorber in position. Insert the bolt through it. And secure it with the nut. And now tighten the nut well. Next you need to check the air pressure in the back wheel. Here is not enough, so we will need to inflate the wheel. Next, check the chain, make sure it's properly adjusted. Check the rear brake. It is also properly adjusted here, so we don't have to do anything. Now we highly recommend that you check the main axle at the rear here, make sure it's properly tight. So now we have the bike fully assembled, we can test all the electronics. So here in the back we have the fuses and the keys for the speed limiter. So the fuse box is located just here. You need to insert the fuse inside the fuse box. Just like this, and close the fuse box like this. Here we have the main ignition key. Just insert the key into ignition, turn it to on. We can see all the lights are on. And we can test the bike now. So here we have 1 speed. You can test the speed restrictor. Here is the slowest one. Here is the middle speed. And here is the fastest speed. So all the electronics are working. We can turn off the ignition. The final step is to remove all the covers from the stickers and apply the stickers which you received in the box. So now the Jackal 1000W 36V electric dirt bike is fully assembled. As you can see, only takes 15-20 minutes. 95% of the bike is pre-assembled. You have all the cables pre-assembled, batteries are pre-assembled, motor, electronics, everything is pre-assembled. Before you use the bike for the first time, it's very important that you plug in charger first and fully charge the battery. When you plug in charger, the light on the charger will change to red, and when the bike is fully charged, the charger light will change to the green. So once you fully charge the battery, you can use the bike. If you like the Jackal electric dirt bike, you can purchase it from our website. The link to our shop is in the description. So thanks guys for watching this short video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos about the mini bikes, and see you in the next one.